Why doesn't everyone gets equal opportunity in life? Growing up, I have seen various divides in society, be it on class, caste, culture. But at the very same time, I've also seen the moment of kindness, the moment of dignity within the people, which led me to work in Community Action Lab. Living here, working here, I've realized one thing, that development doesn't happen with money or with schemes, but it happens with dignity, it happens with empowerment, and it happens with ownership. When community owns it, then the real development happens, and which we are doing it on ground. In 2024, Transform Rural India, Tata Capital and Tata Power bought electricity in the rural villages, in the remote villages of Mihinpurwa block. Imagine this, for decades these villages lived in darkness, nights meant fear, children stayed indoors, families worried about wild animals prowling outside. Then, with the courage of women-led Urja Samitis, solar microgrids were built. That first night, the glow of light changed everything. In another CLF meeting, a 75-year-old woman stood up. She had never been to school, but with shining eyes, she said, "Education matters and I will go to SMC." Today, she herself is learning. And she is not alone. Many CLF members, after joining SHGs, are now completing 10th, 12th, and even bachelors. At ages where society had given up on them, they are restarting with their own pace. I strongly believe that change is possible because I see it happening every single day. This is why I dream of a day when every woman in rural India becomes a torch bearer of equality. In her home, in her community, in her village. At TRI, we are rural development designers, turning dreams into designs and designs into everyday realities in rural India.